Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious folks. Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept that might just change the way you think about staying fit as you age. It's not about hitting the gym or following a strict exercise routine, it's about embracing a lifestyle that keeps you moving naturally. Are you ready to explore this game-changing idea? Let's go. So, imagine this: you meet someone in their 60s or 70s who looks incredibly fit and moves with ease. When you ask about their workout routine, they give you a blank look. No gym, no running, no structured program, yet they are in better shape than many younger folks with gym memberships. What's their secret? Well, it's not luck or genetics, it's a life built on constant, low-grade movement. Enter the world of NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This concept, pioneered by James Levine at the Mayo Clinic, is a game-changer in the fitness world. It's all about the energy you expend on daily activities that aren't traditional exercise. Walking to work, typing, gardening, even fidgeting, these trivial activities add up and have a significant impact on your overall fitness. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Research shows that NEAT can vary by up to 2,000 calories per day between individuals of the same weight. It's not just about how much you exercise, it's about how you live your life. And for those fit older adults, their lives are designed to keep them moving. So, what are these habits that keep them fit? Well, it's a combination of everyday activities that most of us take for granted. Cooking their own meals, maintaining their homes, gardening, walking for transportation, taking the stairs, carrying things, these are all part of their daily routine. They stand more than they sit, have active social lives, and run their own errands. It's not just about the physical activity, it's about having a purpose and a reason to stay capable. You see, these individuals haven't separated their movement from their lives. Their fitness is woven into the fabric of their daily existence. They are not lucky, they've built a life that keeps them moving, and that's a choice anyone can make. Personally, I find this concept incredibly fascinating. It challenges the traditional idea of fitness and shows us that staying fit is about more than just hitting the gym. It's about creating a life that values movement and purpose. So, the next time you think about your fitness routine, remember the power of NEAT and consider how you can incorporate more movement into your daily life. That's it for today's deep dive. I hope this has inspired you to think differently about fitness. Until next time, keep moving and stay curious. Closing thoughts and a call to action for the audience to reflect on their own daily habits and consider how they can incorporate more movement into their lives.